Hey, anybody want cereal?
No.
Okay. What kind do you want? It depends what you have. Frosted Flakes, Captain Crunch, Fruit Loops, and Cookie Crisp, and Apple Jacks. Cookie Crisp. They taste like cookies.
You like Cookie Crisp?
It tastes like cookies, okay? It's better than Apple Jacks. That has apples in it.
Well, apples are good for you. They taste good, except for the skin. The skin isn't so good. Plus, apple juice comes from apples, and apples eat Apple Jacks, so that just makes it even more good.
Since when do you care about health? You're a Gabby.
Sorry, so, I love apples, except for the skin.
But you like Cookie Crisp. You were eating it the other day.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were the cupcake version.
But that's not fair.
You like Cookie Crisp. You are eating the
No.
cupcake version. You are
I
eating
don't.
the macaron.
Ew, you like drool. It's pie.
No, you don't get it. I go pee pee.
Meanwhile,
You like Apple Jacks, so no, I'm not letting you in. It's making sound! It's a doorbell! What? It's a doorbell!
thanks for watching.
Quiet on set. What?
Action.
Quiet on set!
Action.
Okay.
Action.
My charger! That's what you get for like the
Alright guys, ready?